Hey everyone, it's V, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into a topic that's super important for your health, your kidneys. These incredible organs work tirelessly to filter your blood and remove waste, but sometimes even the foods we think are healthy can put extra stress on them. So if you want to protect your kidney health, watch out for these vegetables that could be secretly damaging your kidneys. Let's get started. We're kicking things off with a veggie that's often hailed as a superfood spinach. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are great for your overall health. Spinach has its benefits, but for those with kidney issues, it can do more harm than good. This leafy green, despite its nutritional profile, can be problematic. Why? Two words, purines and oxalates. These compounds, while naturally occurring, can pose significant risks. Purines break down into uric acid, which damaged kidneys struggle to filter out, leading to painful conditions like gout. This can be particularly troublesome for those already dealing with kidney issues. Spinach is also loaded with oxalates, which can bind with calcium and form kidney stones. These stones can cause severe pain and further damage to your kidneys. Boiling spinach reduces oxalate levels slightly, but not completely. It's a partial solution, but not a foolproof one. Even small amounts of oxalates can add up over time, putting more strain on your kidneys. So if you have kidney issues, it might be wise to limit your spinach intake. Let's move on to another leafy green, Malabar spinach, a plant that's gaining popularity for its unique texture and flavor. It's popular in many cuisines, especially during the summer months, and is often used in refreshing salads and delicious stir-fries. But for those with kidney problems, Malabar spinach can pose serious risks that shouldn't be overlooked. Like regular spinach, Malabar spinach is high in oxalic acid, which can contribute to the formation of kidney stones, a painful and common issue. It's also rich in potassium, a mineral that compromised kidneys struggle to remove efficiently, leading to a condition known as hyperkalemia. Hyperkalemia can cause irregular heartbeats, muscle weakness, and even life-threatening complications if not managed properly. Cooking Malabar spinach can reduce oxalates slightly, but it doesn't eliminate them entirely, so caution is still needed. If you have kidney disease, it's best to limit or avoid Malabar spinach to prevent potential health issues and complications. Kale, the king of greens, the superfood superstar, you know it, you might even love it. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are great for your overall health. But for individuals with kidney disease, kale's reputation as a health food might not tell the whole story. There are hidden risks that need to be considered. One of the main concerns with kale is its oxalic acid content, which can increase the risk of kidney stones. Oxalic acid binds with calcium in the kidneys, forming painful stones. Kale is also high in potassium, which can be dangerous for those with kidney disease, potentially leading to hyperkalemia. High potassium levels can cause serious heart problems. Another mineral to consider is phosphorus. Kale is relatively high in phosphorus, and compromised kidneys have trouble removing excess phosphorus. This can lead to a buildup in the blood. This can lead to weak bones, joint pain, and an increased risk of heart disease. Excess phosphorus can also cause calcification in the arteries. So if you have kidney issues, be cautious with kale. Always consult with your healthcare provider to make the best dietary choices for your condition. Beetroot, with its vibrant color and earthy flavor, is a popular addition to salads, juices, and even desserts. But for those with kidney issues, beetroot requires a cautious approach. Beetroot is high in oxalates, contributing to kidney stone formation. It's also relatively high in potassium, which can lead to hyperkalemia in individuals with kidney disease. If you have kidney problems and enjoy beetroot, moderation is key. Discuss with your doctor or a registered dietitian to determine a safe intake level. Swiss chard, with its vibrant stems and dark green leaves, is often praised for its nutritional value. However, for individuals with kidney problems, Swiss chard requires a closer examination. Swiss chard contains significant oxalates, increasing the risk of kidney stone formation. It's also relatively high in potassium, which can be dangerous for people with kidney disease. If you have kidney disease and enjoy Swiss chard, consume it in moderation and consult with your healthcare provider. So there you have it, 5 vegetables that could be secretly damaging your kidneys if you're not careful. By understanding which foods can pose risks, you can make informed choices that support your kidney health. If you have any concerns about your kidney health or your diet, please reach out to your doctor or a registered dietitian. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more videos on how to live a healthier, happier life.